Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to start EVS, that is chapter number 4, taking care of our body. Class 2, can you hear me? Hello, dear students. Class 2, chapter number 4, taking care of our body. Now tell me, what are the precautions you are taking while getting up from your bed? Okay, so you have to listen what I am telling you. You keep in your mind, and by that way you can keep your body healthy, wealthy. Okay, so that you can be fit. Now here, healthy habits. Healthy habits, what you will do to be healthy and keep your body clean, and should follow the practices given below. Brush your teeth twice a day. Now you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Brush all your teeth well. Do not forget the ones at the back. Remember to clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Do you know what is tongue cleaner? Yes, how to clean with that tongue cleaner. Rinse your mouth well after eating, otherwise a foul smell will come out of your mouth. Now after eating you have to rinse your mouth well. Rinse means that is you put water in your mouth and you have to make it gargling, and then so that you will never get a bad smell. Foul means bad smell from your mouth. Okay? Now take bath with soap and water every day. After bath, wipe yourself with a clean and dry towel. Keep your hair clean and tidy. Eat food at a proper time. Eat food at a proper time. Exercise for at least half an hour daily. Go to bed early. You should sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours. Then stand up straight. Okay? Now here the pictures are given. Brush your teeth twice a day. Then do exercise regularly. Sleep in time. Then comb your hair. Wash your hands properly. Take a bath daily. Do not bite your nails. That is very important for your health. Don't bite your nails with the teeth. Cut your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly and keep them clean, and do not bite your nails. Then next, eat healthy food. Eat leafy green vegetables and fresh fruits. Have at least 2 glasses of milk every day. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. To digest your food, you have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. Avoid eating oily food and fried food it is not good for your health. Why? Because oily food makes your health disturbed. Now here, next you see staying away from germs. Mane, you have to avoid from germs. Germs are found everywhere. You cannot see with your naked eye. when they get inside your body, they can make you ill. That is, you will fall ill. So, keep your body free from germs. Germs are spread through air, water and other objects. You cannot see germs through air, through water or other objects through your naked eye. They stick to your hands when you touch a dirty object. So, wash your hands carefully with soap and water before and after eating food. Germs are also found on fruits and vegetables. So, before eating, you should wash vegetables and fruits. Some fruits you eat raw, some vegetables you eat raw, that is for salad and all. So you have to wash it and then you have to eat. You must wash them well before eating. Germs are also found in water. Always drink boiled or filtered water. Before drinking water, you have to boil it and then you drink. Or if there is any problem for boiling, you filtered it and then drink it. So, germs spread in the air when you cough or sneeze. So, use a clean piece of handkerchief to cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. So, dear students, you have to cover your mouth while sneezing and coughing. Now there is so much germs spreading due to corona. So, you have to be careful and put a mask on your mouth. Okay? So that you can be safe from this COVID-19. Okay? That is, you have to read the chapter. If there is any doubt, you can ask me any spellings or any meanings. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.